Hello guys, welcome to another Unreal Engine tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna tell you what is event dispatchers and blueprints and how to use them. Well, to make it simple, let me first some analogy first. You can think about event dispatchers as just a list of events. This list can be empty or filled with events. You can add new events at the list one at a time, and you can also remove events from this list one at a time or all at once. So just remember, event dispatcher it is just a list of events, nothing more. Now go back to blueprints. Let's open any blueprint. Say I will open the first person blueprint. If you want to create event dispatcher, you can do this in my blueprint tab here. Go to event dispatcher section, just click plus icon and choose whatever name you want. Say test ed, test event dispatcher. Okay. When you drag off your new event dispatcher, there are 6 options you can choose. Let's start from call. So call node will be used to call your event dispatcher to run all events within your event dispatcher at any place within your blueprints, within your code. You can actually do this from the same blueprint, or you can do this from any other blueprint you want, even from level blueprint. Just don't forget that when you have a list of instances of your blueprint, don't forget to add target to corresponding event dispatcher. Next option is bind. Bind is used to add new events to your event dispatcher. So to be able to create a new event, so there is this event icon, and we need to create a new event first. We can just like this, choosing event option here, and just connecting this event to this node. Well, it's added. Custom events are also working here, so you can create this custom event and connect it to this node. Next option is unbind. You can actually there are 2 similar ones, unbind and bind all. Unbind will unbind any particular event already presented in your event dispatcher. Unbind all will unbind all events at once from your event dispatcher. And there's also one more option, it's called assign. I think it can be called like a shortcut to create new event and bind it to your event dispatcher, because it creates bind node, it creates new event and connects them. If you select your event dispatcher, you can see a lot of different options from the right hand side in the details panel. So the first section is inputs here. Inputs represent just inputs for your for events which can be used within your event dispatcher. You can add inputs manually, like just clicking plus icon here, and like you would do this for functions, or you can select any already existed event within this drop down with name, copy signature from, and all parameters will be copied out from chosen element to your events. Well, as you see, when I add new parameters are added in my events. There are also different parameters here, but well, in my opinion, they are pretty much clear, so I will not stop on them. Guys, just for the purpose of this video, I will create new event dispatcher, add events to it, and call this event dispatcher and unbind all events from this in plain editable mode. Okay, so let me remove these nodes first. I will use this already created event dispatcher here, and first I want to bind events to this event dispatcher, so that's why I will choose bind here. I need to create a new event, and it will call print stream. Let me add one more event to this event dispatcher. One more interesting point here, when you are creating events like me right now, I mean dragging off your dispatcher event to event graph and choosing event, Unreal will create event with the same name. So it will not change name, and even if you just click outside of this node, Unreal doesn't complain, but if you try to compile, there will be error here, so just be careful and name your nodes properly. So, names don't play a role for us in this video, so that's why I just keep it as simple as possible. Event 2. Okay, and next I will create keyboard events. One key will call my event dispatcher, and another key will unbind all events from the same event dispatcher. First one, say key K. Okay, and the second one will be J. So when I press K, I want to call all events from my event dispatcher. That's why I will choose call here. Additionally, I will add print string node just to let us know that it's working as expected. And when I press J, I want to unbind all events from my event dispatcher. So that's why I will choose unbind all. And also adding print string here for information purposes. Okay, we're good to go. Now go to plain Azita mode and test it. We're in plain Azita mode right now. So I'm pressing K. As you see, two events are fired and successfully fired. We see these comments. It's working good. Now I'm pressing J one time. So J pressed, events unbound. Now I'm pressing K again. And as you see, events already unbound, but K pressed is working good as expected, but events are not already fired. Well guys, to sum up, event dispatchers is a great extension of functions in blueprints. You'll want to use event dispatchers when you need to call more than one event at a time. It will be also useful when you need to run your blueprint class from level blueprint. And if you find this video useful, please guys like and subscribe and put comments below to discuss more about event dispatchers. Have a fantastic day and take care!